Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. In this video, I would like to show you the capability of converting from video to the text and how you can summarize this text with the help of the ollama. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me until end. Before we jump to this the running of this software, just I would like to highlight some advantages for this software. The advantages, maybe it's will work for some meeting recording of some meetings, and then you can summarize as a minute of the meeting for your for yourself, because sometimes you don't want to publish your video in, we can say, the public media. So this software is in your local machine, so it absolutely is safe and is running on your system. So first, I made one video, and let's watch that video together. Very short video, and after that we will see whether it will convert the context of that video in this software or no. So let's watch that video together. Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be testing a software tool designed to convert the video content into text. The main goal here is to demonstrate how the software extracts spoken words and transcribes them into written form. Let's see how it performs. Okay, so I have this video in my system, and now I'm going to select this the video, and I'm starting to upload, and you can see that it started to analyze the video, which will convert to audio, and from the audio it will convert to the text, and finally it will show in the GUI base. And after it converted all this text, ollama will summarize this text and give you the summary of this video. So this is the whole story behind of that, and it also depends on your capability of your machine. And you can see now it's running to provide all these we can say the text. And after that, here you go. You see, hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be testing the software tool designed to convert the video content into text. The main goal here is to demonstrate how to software extract spoken words in transcript. Here it's one mistake. Transcript them into written form. Let's see how it performs. I think it was very good. It's absolutely perfect. And you can see here there is in the summary of that, the describe a video where a software tool is being tested that convert the video content, spoken words, into written text. The purpose of the test is to show how well the software can extract spoken word from video and accurately transcribe them into written form. So this actually, for the purpose of this demo, I made a very short video, but also it can you can also use the long video, and it can be also the summarize the video. But again, if you watched my previous video regarding the for language model from the speak to the text, or speech to the text, this model is a little bit higher because when you have the high volume of the model, then it has the more we can say that advanced, and also have the more variety of the language, and it will be analyzing in accurate way. So if you have, for example, 1 million, 1 billion, or 8 billion, definitely 8 billion is much better than the 1 billion. Yeah. So I selected a little bit higher model for this purpose of the English to the text. You can use other languages which you prefer based on that model. If you are really knows that how you can use that model for the speech to the text, you can watch my previous video about this the model, how to find it and how you can use it. Okay, thank you again. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like the button, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so. And if you have any question, please drop your question in comments below. Definitely I will get back to you. Thank you, and see you next one.